Tired of sending emails at the exact moment and feeling chained to your inbox? In this video, we'll show you how to use Zapier to schedule your Gmail messages for later, giving you control over your email timing and boosting your marketing game. First, head over to Zapier and click on Create App to start a new automation. Next, choose Gmail as your trigger app for the trigger event. Select New Email Matching Search. This allows Zapier to watch your inbox for specific emails that will kick off the scheduling process. Now, let's set up our first action. Choose Google Sheets for the action event. Select New Spreadsheet row. This will add the email details to a spreadsheet. Connect your Google Sheets account and select the spreadsheet where you want to store the email information. Make sure to map the email details from your Gmail trigger into corresponding columns. For the next action, select Delay by Zapier for the action event. Choose Delay until this is where the magic happens. Connect your Delay by Zapier account and specify the date and time you want the email to be sent. You can either manually enter the date and time, or if you have a column in Google Sheets with the desired send time, you can pull it from there. Finally, add another action and select Gmail for the action event. Select Send Email. Connect your Gmail account and configure the email. Use the data from Google Sheets to fill in the to, from, subject, and body fields. Now, test your Zap to make sure everything's working smoothly. Once you're happy with the test, turn on your Zap. Now, any email that matches your Gmail trigger criteria will be automatically scheduled and sent at the time you specify.